What is up, guys? As you can see, I've got a new vape. It is very nice. I've heard good things about this vape. I'm not gonna lie, I've heard really good things, even though of the size difference of my vape. And this was about $10 more than my old vape, but I heard really good things about it, so I got it. I've already opened it and started to use it a little bit. I got it yesterday. It's a really good vape. I just wanted to do the unboxing and show you guys. It's a really nice box that comes with it. A really nice, clean look. These are the warranties and stuff. And it comes with extra rings that hold whatever it is. I'm not a vapor like that. Came with 2 cool wheels, as you can see. It comes with a micro USB plug-in. I have multiple of them. And then it comes with one of these. What the fuck? Oh, shit. Get back in there. Fuck it. There we go. Let me just put this stuff right back in here. It's really simple to use. Hold up. It's an automatic draw, so you don't have to click the button. When you fill up the vape, fill it up to that little red line right there. And I'll do an assembly on it in the next video. But I just wanted to show you guys this. And, it's an automatic draw, so. Fits very nicely. It really does. But you can still use the button. It's not like it'll hurt it or anything. It's really good. It's really good. It's really small. It can fit in like a smaller pocket. Like I wear jeans like this with the small pockets and shit. Fucking stretched out. Fucking shirt. But yeah. I'm going to do an assembly on this in the next video. It's very nice. It has a very slick look to it. This is the Aspire Breeze, and I'm gonna do the next video on how to assemble it right now.